In this video, I'm going to discuss about the price action for Nifty Bank Nifty. By the end of this video, if you are facing difficulties with the sudden spikes or the sudden reversals of the market, you can be able to see why those are happening. The reason for that could be the Virgin CPR. So, first of all, I would like to discuss about what is Virgin CPR. By the end of this video, you will know what is Virgin CPR and how the price is reacting over there. What are the benefits of marking Virgin CPR? For you, will be discussed here. So, what is Virgin CPR? The Virgin CPR is something that the price hasn't involved in this CPR lines. For example, when you see here, this is the CPR and the price is inside the CPR. So this is not a Virgin CPR. You can see here, this is the CPR. It is not having any price candle in between these lines. So we mark this as the tomorrow CPR or day after tomorrow CPR, just like this. Okay, you mark this like this and you will see how the price is reacting at this. For an instance, I can show you here. The first 5-minute candle is this, which is a very big green candle. Throughout this trading day, what I have observed is the importance of the Virgin CPR. I keep on saying about Virgin CPR and a morning range strategy, where these are appearing in the markets very frequently. So, if you understand the concept of this really deep, so you can get benefit out of the market and you can make money from the markets. So that is why I'm doing this video, to give you the overall thing about Virgin CPR. So keep watching this video. So this is the Virgin CPR range from this pink region to this pink region. The candle took place here exactly at the bottom Virgin CPR and it is shooted up like this. The main reason for this is this. It is having the Virgin CPR set up here. There could be many reasons, but in my experience of trading all these years, what I have understood is Virgin CPR is very powerful thing. If you connect this Virgin CPR with the market's trend, you can benefit really well. For example, see here. This is another Virgin CPR. Previous few days Virgin CPR. You can see here the pink region. So this is a pivot and the rejection is coming from two things. The first one is the pivot and the second one is the Virgin CPR. Like these days, you can take the trade with more conviction. The probability is in your side. Okay. So whenever the factors are like this is called power of confluence. Now there is a rejection from the Virgin CPR. See, boom. From here till here, there is a crash here. You can see. When you know the power of these two things, the pivots and the Virgin CPR, what you will do? You will take the trade here and you take your profits at the CPR. Okay. Now, I would like to show you another thing also. So see here, there is a fall from here, 920 candle till here. You can see at exactly at this CPR, there is taking support with a green candle. Okay. And it has moved till top CPR. So this is the power of Virgin CPR. Again, it is coming back here and it wants to take the support here. It wants to take the support here, again reaches this area. So this is an implication that whenever the price is coming near the Virgin CPR, the traders want to push the price upwards. In this case, some cases, if it is moving closes above it, then there is a rejection again here. So the traders thought that there is a selling pressure here from the pivot as well as the Virgin CPR. So they can scalp or take the trades to next pivot. This is the importance of the pivots and the Virgin CPR. Throughout the day, here, and here, there is a rejection here also. So that is the reason why most of the time sudden spikes, sudden reversals happen in the market. Okay, you can see here also. When the first time it is rejecting from the pivot as well as the virgin CPR, again traders think that there is a selling pressure that has happened here in this vicinity. So they want the price to move downwards from here till here. But it has the buying pressure, the selling pressure, sorry, the buying pressure absorbs the selling pressure back to back green candles here. Okay, this is how actually the trades are happening. When there is a big bullish move, there is a reason. When there is a big bearish move, there is a reason. When you read the charts throughout all these years, if you understand the reason behind every candle, if you analyze the reason behind every candle, you have the power to take the trades. You have the conviction to take the trades. Now you can see here. This is the place where the bottom CPR. This is the bottom CPR. Once the price closes at the bottom CPR, in these days, sideways days, there is a chance to the price to move till top CPR. This is another strategy that I have discussed for the YouTube subscribers from my paid course, which is the sideways market setup. And this setup is happening frequently nowadays. The morning range strategy, the virgin CPR strategy, and the sideways market setup. Okay, these are the things that are happening really well in the markets. When you learn these three strategies, you will be able to trade the markets with more conviction, and the probability is in your side. Okay, now again, the price is coming here, again making a bullish candle with the support of the virgin CPR. With the support of the virgin CPR, so there is a chance to move the price in the upward direction. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me or you can join my Telegram group where I can be able to give you answers anytime in the market hours. I'm going to give this in the description section or in the QR code in my thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Try to do the analysis every single day so you will understand the essence of the market. Thank you so much.